Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to easily change the toolbar position in the Qwant app on your Android mobile. This simple tweak can improve your browsing experience by placing the toolbar where you find it most comfortable. First, open the Qwant app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner. Then, from the menu, click on Settings. At the top of the menu, find and tap on Toolbar. You will see two options. Position the toolbar at the top or at the bottom. Choose your preferred toolbar position by tapping on either top or bottom. The toolbar will immediately move to your chosen position for easier access. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to customize the toolbar position in the Qwant app on Android. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.